On September 2, 2014, a massive block of ice broke off the Mendenhall Glacier in Juneau, Alaska, and it was all caught on camera. A man captured the shocking moment a powerful mudslide rushed through a valley in Pakistan. A massive landslide hit the Badrinath National Highway. People narrowly escaped with their lives. A powerful river flood in India caused several riverside buildings to collapse and wash away in seconds. This is what a 15-foot hurricane storm surge looks like. Dashcam footage shows a landslide striking a car, cracking the driver's windscreen in an instant. Waves crash unexpectedly at Reynisfjara Beach in Iceland, knocking over tourists as they rush ashore. Before we move on to the next clip, if you're also fascinated by how nature can surprise us at any moment, subscribe and join this curious community. At Bow Glacier Falls in Banff National Park, a sudden rock slide occurred.
Y'all, that is so cool. On your birthday, Harrison. Your own? Who cares? Your own? Your own water spout on your birthday. I wish I could call Will and Tara to look in the thing. No, I want to video it. It's too cool. Jacob. there.
A humpback whale capsizes a kayak off the California coast, sending 2 people plunging into the water. Security camera footage captures the sudden collapse, swallowing bleachers and a light pole in the middle of the soccer field. Molten lava pours into the ocean, sending steam and smoke billowing into the sky. A strange, powerful red light shoots across the sky, illuminating everything below. Glowing blue jellyfish drifts gracefully through the water. Fun fact, some jellyfish can glow in the dark to scare off predators or attract prey.
هلا مرة ما شاء الله هيك الرحمة.
A massive cobra slithers through the forest, its huge body moving silently among the trees. An extreme close-range tornado intercept in Minnesota shows the raw power of the storm up close, with debris flying and winds tearing through everything in its path. Incredible footage captures lightning striking the Mecca clock tower in Saudi Arabia, illuminating the night sky. Climbers ascend Mont Blanc as a sudden rockfall rains down around them, an absolutely terrifying moment.
قامت
Huge tarantulas crawl across a baby girl, creating a tense and terrifying scene. Massive landslides slam into a highway in northwest China, blocking all traffic and causing chaos.
Holy shit! Ay, ay. Whoa!
A river-like rock slide cascades down a mountain in Croatia, smashing everything in its path. A vast torrent of hail and tiny stones rushes through the river, creating a chaotic, pounding flow. highway is swallowed as the entire road collapses under rushing floodwaters. A storm chaser captures intense footage as a massive tornado tears through Oklahoma.
Spingere, cavalli. Spingere. Guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
Man, when that whole thing goes, oh, here we go. Oh.
Holy shit!
A man keeps filming the Andover tornado, capturing every moment until it engulfs his entire yard. Azerbaijani military helicopter flies dangerously close to a journalist, creating a tense and risky moment. A massive hailstorm batters a Tesla Model 3, leaving dents and damage all over its body. The entire road beneath a parking lot collapses, sending cars tumbling and sliding into chaos. This is the controlled burning of pollen, which creates a mesmerizing and fiery display. A man sits calmly on the ground, just chilling next to a huge snake as they share the space together.
Back of this snake. This is the spine, and it's just bursting with muscles on either side of the spine. This snake is absolutely ripped and jacked.
Oh no, I got a call. Oh my God. About 100 yards from it.
A man steps toward his car, remembers he forgot his wallet and rushes back inside just as lightning strikes a tree, which crashes onto his car. Powerful winds push massive sheets of ice across the water, smashing them onto the shore in a dramatic ice tsunami, or ice shove.
Oh my God, Mommy! Oh my God!
Oh putain, oh putain.
A sudden flash flood of sand and ice rushes through the area, sweeping everything in its path. Guess where this frog paradise is? A breathtaking murmuration of starlings fills the sky above Syracuse, Italy, moving as one mesmerizing cloud. Imagine checking your mail and finding this. Every letter inside completely fried.